Hey folks! Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. After I closed my Unreal Engine today, the Epic Games launcher prompted me some info about a game called While True, Learn. I was curious about what can that be, and guys, I really loved that game, to be honest. The game is about a cat that's better than you at machine learning, which actually makes sense. If you look at my skills, I would say the cat is better. And look how proud he is from what he just did to my brain. Oh god, it hurts. It actually looks like Unreal Engine blueprint system where you connect nodes to make the workflow do its job, and while it looks cool and nice, it's not an easy game at all. I'm still stuck on some levels where I cannot get the golden medal or reach the goal at all, and mostly it's all about fractions of a second, which sometimes is kinda infuriating. And you may ask yourself, should I try the game? Of course you should, or else the cat is gonna be better from you. Anyway, the game walks you through some basic understanding of nodes that do various functions like filtering different information to lastly achieve the level goal, and it actually looks pretty similar to Unreal Engine workflow, so I really advise you to play it. It is a bit of a challenge, while still being a cool game. My first run was about 3 hours, but don't judge my progress. You should already know that the cats are better at coding than I am. So hop into the Epic Games launcher and grab the game while it's still for free, or wait a few days so you can support the creators of this amazing product. That's it for that video, stay healthy and become a machine learning pro just like the cats.